Hi, I'm Natasha Denona. This season, I am celebrating my 5th year anniversary eyeshadow palettes launch with my brand new Metropolis palettes. I am starting the first step using Enigma. This is the new cream powder matte formula. It's insanely pigmented and super soft. So I am sketching the outer third of the lower lash line, working inside it a little bit thinner and then on the outer corner thicker, and working it upwards in a pretty flat angle. And then I'm dragging it up towards the crease and smudging it slightly onto the lid as well in a flat angle. I'm continuing to follow the lash line, but really keeping a very thin line and very closely to the lash line, to the roots of the lashes. With stain, I am blending the crease. So because both of these eyeshadows have the cream powder formula, they're super soft and they just mix easily. And with Chrism, I will blend stain. With Pure, I will blend even more and diffuse. Now I'm going in with Enigma once more, just to intensify the blue pigment and to give also a little bit more depth to the outer corner. With Claret, I will cover the center lid and also connecting it slightly with the blue eyeshadow, but not really covering it. I just want to touch it and not to cover the blue. Claret is just one amazing red coppery duochrome shade that is so foiled. I will work on the transition with Enigma, just slightly blending inwards. And for a final additional pop of color, I'm using Aqueous and pressing it onto the center lower lash line and dragging inwards. But I do feel adding another pop of color into the inner corner with Fuse.